So this is me in my garden gear. It's quite sunny today, so I have my hat, my sun hat. I put on long sleeve shirt to keep away the bugs, and I have my rain boots. Again, I don't want any bugs creeping into my pants. Nice sunny day. I had to put on some sunshade to protect my eyes, and also I was doing some mowing. I don't want any grass getting into my eyes. So here I am in my backyard right now, getting some rest, and nice day to be out. Today I'm showing you my backyard garden, and no matter how little your space is, you can always grow something. Whatever space you have, grow something. If you live in an area where you have warm weather all year round, you are extremely lucky. You can always grow something. So this is my backyard garden, and from my experience, I'm learning every year. So this year I just started my garden, and thank God for good weather for the past few days. The mistake I have learned from the first time I did my backyard garden, I forgot to put labels on my plants. So this time around I made sure I have labels. Like this is spinach. Spinach is coming up. You can see them. Baby spinach coming up. And I have here rosemary. If you love rosemary, you can plant seeds either in a pot or in your garden outside. This is parsley. Again, if you love parsley, so you could create a small herb garden and plant your favorite herbs. If you love, this is Blue Ridge kale. You can see it's coming up. This is basil. Again, if you love basil, why not plant some? I believe this is oregano. So, and of course I have my tomatoes. They're coming up. They all are small right now, but I assure you, in few weeks you're not going to recognize them. Well, I can't wait for my scotch bonnet. If you're a Nigerian, that's what we call Atarodo. That's coming up. I can't wait. More tomatoes. More tomatoes. And this is dill. I can never find dill in the stores, so I decided I'm going to plant some dill. These are my tomato seedlings. I just transplanted these, and I'm really excited to see what's going to come out. quite interesting. Again, like I said, I had to label everything. These are sunflowers, sunflower coming up. Well, this is some salad mix. Again, for salads, I can't wait. Red onions coming up. So you can never go wrong with planting something. You can't go wrong. These are different herbs which I'm going to transplant. Now this is lavender. I'm going to plant that, and I can actually smell the fragrance already coming up. Spearmint, and here I have celery all coming up. Well, lo and behold, I had potatoes in my cupboard that I forgot all about, and somebody told me to plant those that were already sprouting. So I planted some, and I can't wait to see what's going to come out of this. So whatever space you have, could be a large space, could be a little space, plant something. You will not regret it. And when you start harvesting, you'll be really thrilled. Plant something. If this video is resonating with you, I want you to give me a thumbs up, share my videos. I want you to subscribe and like my videos. So today, just talking about planting stuff. It's summer months here, and we're going to make the best out of it. I want you to think about it. It's a very good thing to do. Plant something. You will eat organically. You will eat fresh food, vegetables, whatever you like cooking with that you can plant. I think you should think about it. You will not regret it. I thank you for your time, and I hope I'll hear your stories about what you are planting, what you want to achieve in the summer months, or if it's too cold or too hot where you are, create the environment. You could do a little greenhouse. Doesn't have to be anything expensive. Yeah. You can never lose. You will enjoy it. And until I see you next time, I want to hear your stories about what you're planting. Just get some seeds and plant something. I assure you, it's going to make you really happy. Again, remember, to be happy, one of the things you can do is to plant. And when you see your plants growing, it gives you a sense of joy, sense of happiness, and some calmness in your life. So, exploit nature. Exploit the gifts of nature by planting something. If you've not seen my boots, these are my boots. I don't want any bugs. I want to do my planting and at the same time keep safe. Again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me hear your stories, what you're planting, and hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Like my channel. Enjoy the weather. Plant something. Let me hear your stories. Put up your pictures and let's share. I just ordered scent leaves seeds. As a woman from Edo State, Nigeria, scent leaves, the Yorubas call it efirin. That's one of our best soups. I cannot wait to get those seeds and plant them here. When I do, I'll let you know. I can't wait to have fresh efirin soup with pounded yam. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Let go planting. Plant something. Do not hesitate. And if you miss it, try again. Find out where you've made a mistake, and I assure you, you're going to be happy. I thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye. Happy planting. Happy gardening. Take care now.